Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or turn off location services on Mac. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Security and Privacy. Click the lock to make changes. Type password, click Unlock. Click Privacy tab. Uncheck Enable Location Services. Click the lock to prevent further changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.